want to also say goodbye to Uta, who I'm so thankful was here with us today. Uta, are you there?
Yeah, thanks, Lamar. What a great presentation.
Thank you, Uta.
I hope everybody learned an awful lot about using drones in the real estate business.
I sure hope they did too. Thank you, Uta. Thank you, everybody, for being here. And I certainly hope you enjoyed your day. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Come and visit us at Drone Education Services. Subscribe to us on social media. We've got so many great things that we're offering. We've got webinars that we are showcasing the abilities. Right now, we've got our webinar that is doing on types, uses, and trends for real estate, rules and regulations. And then we've got this case study where I went over the 11-month period to showcase the house being built. And I ran into things such as birds, believe it or not, helicopters in the air, the president coming to visit that I couldn't fly. So there's so much that are involved in aerial inspections that we're willing to share with you, and we want to share with you. Come join us. We've got our adventure is starting. Thank you so very much, everybody. Have a great day.
Great.